Hello everyone, so if you want to make a 2x2 hidden door like that one, you need to follow me step by step. First, replace 4 sticky pistons in both sides, then 2 right here, 2 right here, then 2 blocks we want, then we cover them on top, put 2 redstones in both sides again, then 2 repeaters facing to the sides, take them one time, then 4 redstones in the center. Now if we cover this and pull out the lever, it closes. Now we just need to make it a bit better, like more hidden, something like that. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.